Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and to another episode of Vlogmas. I'm Yvonne and for today's episode I'm going to be doing a short skit, and the topic of the skit is the basket of sweets or the kuswar. So here in this whole skit, the main important thing is like the sweets in the basket are having a very bad argument, and what the argument is about you all will get to know. So let's get started with the skit. Also, don't forget to comment in the comment section and tell me which is your favorite sweet during Christmas and which sweets you all like to make and which you all don't like to make. I would love to know that. Also, now we've started the skit. So here comes the first sweet telling why it is the most important sweet in the basket. So let's get started. Hi guys, I'm Neorio and I think I am the most important sweet on the platter. You know why? Because I can be made of three types. Nalacho, that is coconut, Pitacho, that is wheat or chana dal, and the semolina, that is rava one. So don't you think I am the most important on the platter? Let me know what you all think about that. And without me, the platter seems incomplete. So I am the most important. Oh my god, who is she? Ago, I am Kalkals. Wait, you're not the most important. I am the most important. So what if I am small, but I taste very tasty? And don't lie, even you all like to have me with tea or no? Ask the people. Don't just say you're the most important one, okay? So what if you can be made of three types? I am made of two types, the plain one and the sugar coated one. Children like the sugar coated one and the adults like the plain one. But that can also get interchanged at times depending on the taste. So I am the most important, and don't forget next to you they make me only, okay? Excuse me, I might come to while away my time and see both of you all arguing? No, I am Dosh, the most important sweet. You know why? Because I am made of chana dal and I'm not deep fried like you all too. I am just nicely cooked, and it takes such a lot of time and effort to cook me, but still people make me every year. You'll know why? Because I am tasty and they just give me in 2 or 3 numbers on the plate. You all thought they give 4 5, and you all also know how much they give. Me only 2 3 they give, papa, because I am very tasty. So I am the most important. Did you understand? So what if you all can be made of 2, 3 or whatever types? I can be made colorful as you wish. Just add color and I'll become that color. So I can even look colorful on the plate or I can look nice and creamy on the plate. My taste doesn't change. Health factor is another plus point of mine. So I am the most important. अगो बाय हांव काजरा गेला हिंगा तुमचे झगडी सोपा गेला पिसावले तुमी हेच कोण झगडी करतात कोण I am Dadal. Y'all all know I am the most important. So why are you all fighting over things? I am important because I'm made of jaggery, coconut. Both are the most important thing in any sweet in Goa. Even you all know that. Plus, if you add nuts, I become even healthy. I know people take a lot of effort, their hands pain, their backs hurt while stirring me, but still they make me honor every year. Why? Tell why. Because I am the most important one. And how much they give in the plate? Idde dita. Correct or no? So that's why I am the most important, because children love me, older people love me. They just put it in the mouth and I just melt away. Am I not the most important like that? Also, I wriggle like a jelly and I also taste yummy. So that makes me the most important. You this Neorio, this Kalkas and that Dosh, let them fight. I know I am the most important. You all don't worry, I am the most important, okay? Arre, what is going on? How can you guys take the credit of being the most important when I am here? I am Goa cheese, also known as Perat. Everybody knows me, right? I'm made of govers, and not normal govers, but the overripe ones. So, shopkeeper is also happy because he can sell all his overripe govers. People are also happy because they get the govers at a cheaper rate. So, total nicely waste management ka package I am. Okay? Because because that govers be thrown out and all, so they make peras out of it. That is gover cheese. So, total waste ka Done. So I know how. But I take a little longer time to stir in all. That is okay. Even you take no dosh. You also take no dosh. Yes or no? If I take a little more time, so what happens? I taste also better. Sweet, sweet. So I am the best. Stop fighting over it and just agree to it that I am the best. Okay? Hello, wait a minute. Why all fighting? Sister Milk Cream, please look at them why they are fighting when they know that we are the best. I am Mazepine and this is my sister Milk Cream. We both are not only delicious to taste but also quick and easy to make. We are made of cashews and milk. Doesn't that make us healthy as well? Yeah, no? See? Double double. Taste be, health be. So we are the most important. We are put in various shapes and colors and we come out very vibrant and beautiful. Whichever mold you put us in, we'll take that shape and come. So we can be made like on the plate we just add a pop of color. Isn't that good? You all gonna tell me? So we both are the most important. So stop fighting guys. Just chill, okay? Hey guys, just chill, okay? There's no need to fight over who's the most important one. As my name is Rose Cookies, I am the most important one. You know why? Because I made it such a beautiful rose shape. Quick to make, easy to make, and yummy to taste. Crunchy crunchy also, which the children love the most. So I am the most important. Why you guys fighting over it? I don't understand. Please Mazepine Milk Cream, please tell them I am the most important one. आवय कितें चालू तुमगेले एश कोन झगडी कोता कोण इम्पॉर्टंट हुई मी Have you all seen my layers? Have you all seen my color? Have you all seen my demand, guys? Why the hell are you all fighting when I am the most important one? People not only in Goa but from outside also come to eat me and taste me and take me with them. Yes or no? You all also love bibinka, no? So I am the most important one. You all are just here. Even I, okay. Dosh. Okay, Dosh. You're taken. People like you also. But they like me more. You don't see people asking, where do you get the best bibinka? Correct, no? So I am the most important one. So just stop fighting and just relax and just agree to with the fact that I am the most important one. I am baked in layers. I take time to bake, okay? Therefore you get that lovely color and taste. Yes or no? So I am the most important one. And then you know guys what happens after the heated argument of theirs? They all realize that without each other, the platter of sweets or the kuswar is not complete. So they all come to a conclusion that they all require on that plate of sweets. Am I right? Sweets play a very important role during Christmas because they are given to each other, to our neighbors, to our relatives, to sweeten the mouths and to just like spread happiness everywhere, because even food is a form of happiness which is spread throughout during Christmas. So sweets play a very important role during that, and even you all I think share sweets with everybody, and you all also know that without all the sweets the platter will look incomplete. So every sweet is important. And with this I come to an end to this small skit of mine. I hope so you all enjoyed it and you all liked my small skit, and if you all did so, do let me know in the comment section. I'll be very happy to know if you all liked it or no. And today we are coming nearing towards the end of this Vlogmas series. I hope you all are enjoying it till now. I think there's only one more day left for this whole series to get over. I enjoyed myself, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also hit that post notification bell so you can get notified each time I post my coming also videos in the future and also my tomorrow's video. So, and I'll see you all tomorrow. Till then, bye.